Have you ever wondered what happens when the sky suddenly opens up and pours an incredible amount of rain in just a few minutes? Imagine the sheer power of nature unleashed in an instant. This extreme event is called a cloudburst. In this video, we'll unravel the mystery behind cloudbursts, explore the recent devastating event in Dehradun, and discover how you can stay safe if one strikes your area. So, what exactly is a cloudburst? Picture a rain bomb, an intense, sudden burst of rainfall over a very small area, often dumping more than 100 millimeters of rain within just 1 hour. This isn't your regular rain shower. This explosive downpour can cause flash floods and landslides, especially in mountainous regions where the landscape struggles to handle such a sudden influx of water. Ever wondered why these events happen so quickly and with such force? Let's dive deeper. Cloudbursts mainly occur in hilly terrains like the Himalayas. Here's how. Warm, moisture-laden air rises rapidly as it is pushed up by steep mountain slopes, a process known as orographic uplift. As the air climbs high and cools quickly, water vapor condenses into massive clouds filled with moisture. These clouds act like gigantic reservoirs holding water until they can no longer keep it. Then, in a sudden release, all that water falls heavily, overwhelming the ground below. Think of it as nature's pressure cooker releasing steam all at once, except here, it's pouring rain. Why is Dehradun so vulnerable to these sudden cloudbursts? Nestled in the Doon Valley and surrounded by the Himalayan foothills, Dehradun receives monsoon winds loaded with moisture from the Bay of Bengal. When these winds slam into the steep terrains around the city, they're forced upward rapidly, creating thick, rain-heavy clouds. It's this perfect storm of geography and climate that can suddenly unleash severe rainfall, sometimes with devastating consequences. In September 2025, Dehradun faced such a disaster firsthand. Heavy rain caused the Kalighat rivulet to burst its banks, leading to flash floods that swept through Sahasradhara and Tapovan. Shops, roads, even homes were submerged. Bridges were washed away, cutting off vital routes. Rescue teams from the NDRF, SDRF, and local authorities raced against time to save lives. Sadly, several residents lost their lives or went missing, a stark reminder of cloudbursts' deadly power. Cloudbursts don't just bring heavy rain, they trigger cascades of hazards. Sudden torrents can flood valleys, sweeping away everything in their paths. Slopes become saturated and unstable, leading to landslides that bury roads and homes. Rivers erode banks, and landslide-blocked waterways can form dangerous temporary lakes that may burst without warning, causing further downstream floods. The destruction left behind impacts communities for months, sometimes years. While cloudbursts are natural, human actions worsen their impact. Deforestation, unplanned urban expansion, and construction on fragile hillsides reduce nature's ability to absorb rainwater. On top of this, climate change increases atmospheric moisture and disrupts weather patterns, making cloudbursts more intense and frequent. Could we be facing a future with even more devastating rainfall events? Understanding these links is critical for protecting ourselves. The good news? Advances in weather forecasting and community preparedness save lives. Doppler radars provide early warnings, while sirens and alerts keep communities informed. Regular drills help people react quickly. Urban planners can limit construction in high-risk zones, and restoring forests and better drainage helps absorb rainfall, reducing flood risk. When nature strikes, being prepared makes all the difference. Cloudbursts remind us of nature's unstoppable power and our shared responsibility to respect and prepare. The recent tragedy in Dehradun is a call to action, to build stronger communities and live sustainably. By understanding cloudbursts, we take the first step towards safety and resilience. Stay informed, stay prepared, stay safe, and keep on watching Pharma Health Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.